This is an overview as to how to add material to the content section of your course. So on your home page, you'll go to the My Courses section and click on the class that you would like to work on. This is your class homepage, and you'll notice across the top on your toolbar, you've got an option for content, and under resources, there's a drop-down arrow where there's also a link for content. And we'll click this for ease of convenience. Okay, the first page that opens up will be your course overview. And your course overview is going to show one of two things, either your syllabus or your course highlights. On the left, you've got an option to search topics. Down below that is bookmarks, and bookmarks create quick links to important content. Upcoming events, this is the same as your calendar. It's going to show what you have scheduled as far as deadlines, tests, exams, and things of that matter. Table of contents, this holds all of the content materials for the course. Okay, add a module is at the bottom, and we're going to do that following the pattern that's already been set. Okay, now we can work on chapter 6 for week 6. And to start adding content, we can go about it two ways. We can drag and drop files here, or we can also go to the new button and do new document. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you both. So I'm going to minimize this so that we can see my screen. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to click on syllabus and I'm going to drag it over. And drop it in that box, and the content was successfully updated. Okay, now we're going to maximize this out. And another option that we have is by clicking new document. And then this gives you an option that's similar to Word where you could go in and type exam. We'll just put that this is a test. And we need to scroll down. And what you'll do is you'll click publish. Okay. Now if we go back to the week 6, chapter 6 that we're working on, we should have a syllabus and an exam. Okay, so I want to take you up here to the new button. The new button has several options. The first one we're going to go over is new Dropbox. This is where you're going to create Dropbox folders for submissions. One of the key things you need to make sure of is that you do go to your Dropbox and add the restrictions to the Dropbox. You do not do it in this form. Okay. New discussion, this is where you create discussion topics. And again, you have to make sure that you go to your discussions and set up the properties for the topic. New quiz is our next one. You're going to create new quiz topics. And again, you'll have to go into quiz to make sure that your properties are set up correctly. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like for new quiz. Okay, so you would just do quiz. Okay, we'll create it. Okay, now it says down here that the quiz is created. Okay, so going back to week 6, chapter 6, where we were working, we're going to go back to the new button and we're going to click on add course files. Okay, this includes the files that have already been uploaded into D2L, and it makes them convenient for you to grab them so that you don't have to go and re-upload them. Okay, upload files is the next thing that we're going to look at under the new button. Okay, so to add a file, you can click upload. We'll go to my desktop and I'm going to scroll down and we're going to select our syllabus, highlight on it, open, and look, we have the syllabus. Okay, it's coming up as a duplicate because the syllabus is already there. For training purposes, I'm going to click skip duplicates. You would click upload. This is how you add materials to your content in D2L.